Next sixth question. X and Y doing business separately as building contractors undertake jointly to construct a building for a newly started joint stock company for construct price of rupees 20 lakhs. Total contract price is 20 lakhs. This is the 20 lakhs is payable as to 18 lakhs by installments in cash and 2 lakhs in fully paid shares of the company. Okay, like this, total 18 lakhs plus 2 lakhs, total 20 lakhs. Okay, 20 lakhs amount is settled like this. Next, a bank account is opened in their joint names. X paying in 6 lakhs rupees and Y also paying, that is 4 lakhs rupees to the joint venture. They are to share profit or loss in the ratio of 3:2. Their transactions were as follows, that is wages 8 lakhs and material 6 lakhs. Material supplied by X, it is 80,000, and architecture fees, means one of the expenditure is paid by Y, is rupees 40,000. The contract was completed and the price received, the joint venture was closed by X, taking up all the shares of the company at an agreed valuation of 1,80,000. Actually, shares worth of the shares, it is 2 lakhs, but is X taken at only 1,80,000 rupees only, that is 20,000 is a loss. Okay, and Y taking stock of materials rupees 40,000. Okay, prepare the necessary ledger accounts. Okay, prepare necessary ledger accounts. That is only the question. Okay, whenever you you can solve this type of questions, you should be follow double entry system. Okay, should be follow the double entry system. Okay, means you can read question once for understanding purpose, another one for solving. Okay, that is only 2 times only you can read the question. Okay, should not read more than that times. Okay, now here we can see how to solve this is a question. Okay, within less time, that is X and Y doing business separately, building contract, joint ventures, and so and so, and whatever the joint stock company constructed, 20 lakhs is the contract price and it is payable at 18 lakhs by installments as cash and 2 lakhs in fully paid shares of the company. Okay, so whatever is the 20 lakhs, it is income to the joint venture. Okay, then you can write by joint bank account. The amount is received up to 18 lakhs rupees. Okay, up to 18 lakhs rupees, and also received shares. Okay, by shares account, that is 2 lakhs. Okay, that is only the incomes to the joint venture. Okay, this is the one when separate set of books are maintained. When separate set of books maintained, okay, by the joint venture. Okay, then you can prepare joint venture, joint bank, and co-venturers account and shares account. Okay, in this joint venture account we have created joint bank and shares account now. So again, as per double entry system, you can write same. So joint bank account, go to joint bank account and write debit side to joint venture account, that is a receipt to the one. Okay, the receipt you should be debited to joint bank account, that is 18 lakhs rupees, and 2 lakhs worth of the shares we received. Okay, so then this is the 2 lakhs of the shares, you can debit it to shares account, to joint venture account, that is 2 lakhs rupees. Like this you can debit it to shares account. After that, a bank account is opened in the joint name, X paying 6 lakhs and Y 4 lakhs. Okay, so in the X it is a receipts to the organization. So come to the joint bank account and write in the debit side to X account, X contributed 6 lakhs rupees, and to Y's account and Y contributed 4 lakhs rupees. Okay, Y contributed 4 lakhs rupees. Okay, next go to X account and Y account, and here, okay, they are the givers, na? We should be created the giver. Okay, in the ledger account also we can write credit side by joint bank account, that is 6 lakhs rupees in the X column, and by joint bank account and 4 lakhs rupees in the Y's column. 4 lakhs rupees in the Y's column. Okay, like this you can enter. Next, after that, and they share the profits in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, whatever the joint venture, okay, difference value is called as profit or loss. That is a profit or loss we should be divide to X and Y in the ratio of 3:2. And their transactions were as follows: wages 8 lakhs, means it is expenditure. Wages is an expenditure. Okay, if it is expenditure, you should be debited to joint venture account. So that is to joint bank account. The amount of wages is 8 lakhs. Okay, and go to joint bank account and credit side by joint venture account. It is a payment, no? Okay, created to joint bank, joint venture account, that is 8 lakhs rupees. So it is expenses and it is also expenditure. Next, after that, material, for purchase of the material, it is 6 lakhs. This is also material, also is expenditure to write joint bank account. It is also expenses. So the expenditure of is 6 lakhs. Okay, this is the same amount, it's a payment, no? So created to joint bank account by joint venture account. You can write by joint venture account expenses. The amount is 6 lakhs. Okay, clear, no? Next, after that, architect fees paid by X, Y. Okay, material supplied by X. First of all, material supplied by X. So if it is material supplied by X, okay, you can write the X column, okay, X account, and also it is an expenditure, no? So debited to joint venture also to X account. So the material worth is 80,000. The worth of the material is 80,000, and go to X account and write credit side. He is a giver, na? Created to X account by joint venture account. The amount is 80,000. Okay, it is expenditure. And also, architecture fee paid by Y is 40,000. Okay, it is also expenditure. So debited to joint venture account, first of all, to Y's account. The amount is 40,000. And also go to Y account. He is a giver. Okay, so by joint venture account, created the giver. Okay, so it is expenditure. The amount is 40,000. Okay, like this you can enter it. Next, the contract was completed. Okay, and the price received, the joint venture was closed by X, taking up all the shares of the company at an agreed valuation of 1,80,000. Okay, 1,80,000 worth of the shares he has taken. Okay, so he has taken shares, now. So go to shares account by X account, that is 1,80,000, and go to X account and write the debit side to to shares account, that is 1,80,000. Okay, 1,80,000, 1,80,000. And why taking stock of material up to 40,000? Okay, stock of material means it is a income to the one. So credited to joint venture account, that is by vice account, the amount is 40,000, and also debit side of the Y account to joint venture account, that is amount is 40,000. Simply you can write stock taken. Okay, stock taken over by Y. Okay, that is only those ones. Okay, next one. Next, before going to joint venture, close the joint venture account. First, you can close the shares account, because okay, actually 2 lakhs worth of the shares. Okay, X taken over by at 1,80,000 only. Whatever is the difference value, okay, is transferred to by joint venture account. Transferred to joint venture account. Okay, it is a loss, no? Loss on shares. So here credited to shares account and debited to joint venture account, that is 20,000. Okay, value is 25,000. And go to joint venture account and write to shares account, that is loss on shares, that is amount is 20,000. Okay, 20,000. Next, now the shares account is total amount is 2 lakhs and 2 lakhs. And now we can close joint venture account. Credit side is 20 lakhs 40,000, and the debit the difference profit transfer the difference is 5 lakhs. That is a 5 lakhs you can transfer to X account, that is 5 lakhs into the profit sharing ratio 3:2, no? So 3/5, which is equal to 3 lakhs. Next, to vice account. So 5 lakhs into 2/5. Now it is 2 lakhs. The total of debit also it is 20,40,000. Okay. So whatever the profit of X and Y, you can transfer to X account and Y account. So here we have written debit side. Now you can write credit side by joint venture account. That is 3 lakhs rupees. So it is profit. Next, by vice account also credited to joint venture. Credit joint venture. That is 2 lakhs rupees. Okay, these are only the amounts. Now we can close X account and Y account also. X account credit side 9,80,000. Debit also 9,80,000. Okay, minus 1,80,000. It is 8 lakhs. That is the amount you can transfer to joint bank account. So it is 8 lakhs. Balancing figure. This is the same amount credited to joint bank account by X account, it is 8 lakhs. Okay, now you can close the Y's account. So anyhow credit is only the more 6,40,000. 6,40,000 minus 40,000, which is equal to 6 lakhs. Okay, 6 lakhs. Whatever the difference of 6 lakhs you can transfer to joint bank account. So that is 6 lakhs amount. This is the balancing figure amount. Okay, so same amount can created to joint bank account. By Y's account, that is 6 lakhs rupees. Okay, now you can close debit and credits. Okay, so (16 plus 6) 8 lakhs plus 6 lakhs plus 8 lakhs plus 6 lakhs, that is 28 lakhs. So debit also 10 lakhs plus 18 lakhs, 28 lakhs. Okay, one of the shortcut to calculation, whenever there is in the lakhs, okay, these are all those amount, it is in the lakhs only. Then if you total, this is the lakhs, okay, lakhs amount, then it means 8 only. 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6, then you will get 28, that is 28 lakhs. Okay, directly calculation, no need to type okay again and again, that is zeros. Okay, this is one of the shortcut to calculate. Okay, and also profit sharing ratio. Okay, calculation of profit sharing ratio is also, there is one of the shortcut, that is for example, we got the profit, that is 5 lakhs rupees. Okay, 5 lakhs rupees, that is divided by, okay, so first you can divisible it. Okay, divided by 5 into numerator is 3 into 3, which is equal to 3 lakhs. Okay, so whenever you calculate the profit sharing ratio of Y, again we have to be calculate 5 lakhs into 2 by 5. Okay, so no need to that. If you divisible first, then multiplied with 2, na? So you can directly press 2 only, 2 equal to, then you will get directly it is a 2 lakhs. Okay, I can make one of the video on this calculator shortcuts. Okay, you should be follow this is this is channel. Okay, thank you. And if you have any doubts, and if you require material with including theory, okay, and problematic about this subject, then you can please contact 74168 62278, and I can send PDF material. Okay, PDF material to you. Okay, thank you. So in this question, anyhow, joint bank account, it's both are equal. Okay, both are equal after final settlement to X and Y.